Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So this video I'm going to explain one of my trade, and lot of questions are arising from my uh, followers. They are asking about the strategy, why you, how you took the trade, and how you can find out the trade. So that I'm going to discuss here in this video. And I have already created lot of scanners and which I have shared in my Telegram channel and free of cost. So I'm not charging for that anything. So you can join my Telegram channel and get all the scanners and screeners with free of cost. So based on the scanner only, I have picking out some trades that was working for me as a good. And today we booked such a good profit in the banking stock. So based on the candlesticks pattern, so most of the people are asking about why you are not trading intraday. So the trend, if I am finding out any trend reversal, it may not happen in a single day. It will take 2 to 3 days, or even 4 5 days. Also, it will take some some trend reversal. Doesn't give you a return. Also, it may be triggering stop loss for me also. But the main concept which I'm applying, so those stocks which is forming a patterns, so that I have already shared you. So today people asking about how you took the trade, how you took the trade. So it is based on the candlesticks pattern that I have created. I am following that candlesticks pattern regularly, and it paid me such a great return. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link which I provided in the description of this video, you can follow the link and you can join that channel and search for your scanner whatever you like. So as per our lot of scanner we have created, and we are updating on our Telegram channel on daily basis, right? And this is one of the scanner which is a shooting star daily, the shooting star scanner which I am taken for a daily. And this month highest level those stock which forms a shooting star, so that will give you such a great return. So on 20 say this month, you see the November 1st, 2nd November. So on 1st of November we don't get any stock, and 2nd November we got a IndusInd Bank which forms a shooting star at the highest level of this month. This is a scanner which help you to find out those stock which forms a pattern at highest of this particular month or this calendar month or the November contract. So like IndusInd Bank which forms a candlestick scanner like a shooting star. You know very well about the shooting star candlesticks pattern. So if it is forms, so there is a possibilities of trend reversal is high. So let I show. So based on this scanner I am following the stock. So I'm not going to take anywhere. So based on this scanner I got this stock on 2nd November. I'm tracking from that last week we have more holidays, and so but I was taken that position on 2nd November which forms a shooting star, right? And where you see this is what the shooting star. So here there is a candle which forms a shooting star on IndusInd Bank. Based on this, and also I applied my trade option strategy also here, and based on this candle alone I was taken the put option of IndusInd Bank with 2 quantities. So here it is broken on 3rd of November. This candle high is 1240. That open price of this candle is 1220. Here I am going to select my strike prices based on my logic. So open price is 1220 and the highest price is 1240. There is 2 strike prices possible. So I can take 1240 or I can take 1220. So here when the low is broken, the next day is broken. That is the entry on November 3rd based on this shooting star candlesticks pattern. If you follow this, it will give you such a great result. So here we have taken 1220 put option, and this is what the Muhurt trading. So that doesn't move, but even though it is having a very minimum, and this candlesticks pattern is a homing PGN. So I marked it out. When it is broken below the level, we are going to short. When it is broken above the level, we are going to take a long. So that is the logic which I marked that level. But unfortunately, market opened gap lower and it started moving very big fall, almost 10% down. So it is maybe fortunate or unfortunate, I get such a great profit. But the important thing, this is the day where the market is open gap lower. But 2 days back, it's signaling there is a reversal. So that is what important. That is why I'm following the candlesticks pattern. Here also, can you see that the previous one day, 2 days back, market went higher very big, and all the prices are getting rejected. And again, the same kind of pattern forms here at this point. One is broken that level. So even it is a profitable trade at this point, but once the market is opening gap lower, so I have such a good profit. I have bought around the call option, sorry, put option of 1220, around 55 rupees. And today opening itself it is 110. We started booking profit and immediately it went up to 130, 40, and finally it made 178. Such a big profit. So but where I'm taking the trade, so if I get such a good profit, so that is good enough. So because it is almost a doubled case, so my investment is doubled on this particular trade. So this one is based on the candlesticks pattern that you should follow the candlesticks pattern. It will give you such a great result, right? But tracking and following that pattern should be very important here. So people most of the time they are asking about what stock I'm going to focus tomorrow. So yesterday and day before yesterday some stocks giving you such a great clue to move, but they don't focus that. So I'm tracking all the thing on day by day. So that gives me such a confidence, as well as it gives me such a great profit also. So based on that candlesticks pattern, you are going to make money. It's very simple, but you need to follow some discipline and risk reward management system also you should follow 100%. If you follow that system, you are going to make such a good money. So if I am doing with the option trade, so once my stop loss trigger, I can apply some other strategies to manage the risk. But if you are doing naked also, but you can keep the strict stop loss to make the trade. So how many of them? So this trade I have already mentioned on my Telegram channel, right? So let's show that I have already updated this thing. This one is forming a candlesticks pattern. Let's try with that. I think I was updated this thing. When it opened on 2nd Tuesday. Let's go for a check. Shooting star daily, that was forming a candlesticks pattern. Let's find out whether it is happening or not. Spinning top on Tuesday. Daily spinning top, hammer candle which forms in and doji at top daily in PEL, and doji at bottom PEL, and this is happening on 1st of the month, right? And we have updated on the morning of Tuesday. And let's go to check Wednesday. I think Wednesday I was not updated, I think, because of, yeah, here there is a thing. Doji at top, white inside, bullish engulfing, black inside, dark cloud, separating line, rising pre method, where it is IndusInd Bank. I think we missed out. I think I'm not shared it here, but I was sharing all the candlesticks pattern. We'll search it for again. This is happening by 2nd November. So a lot of things is there. So I was already sharing all the things on the Telegram channel. So some people are typing the message. So that's why I ignore that. But this is the pattern which forms on the stock, which gives you such a great profit. Let us show. We are talking about Ultratech Cement. Today it went up big, but this trade got reversed at this point. Previous downtrend, a doji, there is a reversal, and market is went higher and higher. So now it is trading 8,200. Their entry is 7,200. This entry was triggered by 7,200, and the current market price is 8,200. 1000 points within a few days. So this is the thing which we are based on the candlesticks pattern that gives you such a great amount of money. So if you are following the regular patterns, that will always help you to make money. And what are the candles which is after forming the shooting star like that? See somewhere ABFRL and RBL Bank. This is the stock which forms a shooting star on 3rd of November. Let's see the stock what happened in RBL Bank. I think RBL Bank today it's down. So this shooting star, it may this is what the trigger 202. So today got an entry, but it not trigger you the target and it not trigger you the stop loss. It is entry given. Maybe we are going to wait for 1 or 2 days to get the result in RBL Bank. And the second stock which forms ABFRL. ABFRL. This is not triggering your entry now till say 282. So still it is not giving you entry opportunity. So once you got the entry opportunity, there is a big chances to make money. So if you are following the candlesticks pattern, that will help you. I think I answered your all the questions they are commented and asking me on Telegram. So how I'm picking based on the candlestick which present on the stock 2 or 3 days back, I'm tracking, and that tracking will help me to make such a good amount of money. So here there is a trade we are already taken a call option in IndusInd Bank few days back. That trade we are booking a loss, and this trade we are booking a big profit. But someone who are not taking the call option here, so almost we are booking somewhere around 63-64,000 in IndusInd Bank with the risk management system with the hedging. But some people doesn't take that call option, they are directly take the put option. They are making such a huge money. So this is the trade where we are taken at 55 and exited by 110, and the price which is traded 152, the last trade price, and it made a of 170. That is the power of that strategy. So if you are want to take that class, you can also welcome to join with me. And that's about this video. If you have any other questions on that, you can ask me on the comment box. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing with me, and thank you so much.